The night view from here is like to die for. ये क्या हो जाता है यार? I don't know. I am not feeling hungry. I need to do something about it. This thing is actually causing a lot of anxiety in me, and I'm just overthinking. हाँ, the famous Amazon का lamp. पता है उसका light भी change होता है अलग अलग. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muskan Agarwal, and this is a vlog video, as you must have already seen from the title. And like it's not very late right now. It's almost like it's late. It's 11:45 around. But still, I was मैं और देर सोच रही थी bed पे लेटे रहने का. But then I was like, oh shit, I had to shoot a video, and then the good sunlight will go. So basically, today I'm planning to shoot my favorite items from all like body care, skin care, hair care, everything, because people have asked it so much कि यार like just tell us because you always talk about skincare and never about other things, whereas those are also very important. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And also in this vlog I'll take you throughout the day. I'm planning to do like wind up a couple of things, so yeah, come along with me. A few guys were asking me for my house tour kind of situation. I don't think I can give you a complete house tour, but a partial house tour I can give it to you. Let me just show it from the start. Where you enter, idhar you can just ignore all the mess. Like there are a lot of sandals here for some reason. Then here there is one room. This is my room, and then this is the drawing room situation. Then here is the TV that I hardly open. This is the area. This is the kitchen. This is the Bhagwan ka mandir. Let me show it to you. This is so pretty. Look at this. Amazing, right? Like it is at the center of the whole house. So like whenever we are passing from here or जब भी हम लोग इधर से निकलते हैं, so it's always like it's good to see like it just feels very good. And you know like whenever I'm going here तो मेरे को याद हो जाता है. So I always pray like एक दिन में एक बार. तो even ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हो सकता है मैं बैठ के proper pray कर रही हूँ, but like I'm moving and then you know I'm just remembering certain things or I'm thinking about certain things. I'm thanking for certain things. So yeah, that always happens. So this is basically the whole thing. I think I have showed you guys. Nothing more than that. I cannot really show the room right now because it is a mess. Let me show you the balcony as well. Here are the planters. Really. So I think this is the rubber plant, right? Not really sure, but कुछ तो है. This is really nice. इधर हमारे बहुत सारे mint के plants थे जो कि अब चले गए हैं. And like I am not going to reveal what floor are we in. And this is the beautiful view from here. So a lot of times I just sit here and you know just have my chai. Not chai. Oh my god. Sorry, I hate chai.
Acting है.
Not chai. Like coffee and everything. The night view from here is like to die for. Like मैं जब भी like when I saw this home, I was like I have to get this because of this balcony, because it had a prettiest view. मतलब रात को 2-3 बजे especially, because people who know me know that I'm a night owl. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है तो I just come here, sit, do nothing, and like it just feels good, and then I feel sleepy. प्रॉपर जो सुबह अच्छे दिख रहे थे, देखो धूप में जाते ही सब कुछ बदल जाता है. सी ये क्या हो जाता है यार? I don't know. So we are preparing lunch right now. I wanted to order it from outside, but I have decided not to do that. And let me show you what I'm making. A very interesting recipe. I have this with me. So मैंने इसको mix कर लिया है actually, but this is मैंने ना इसमें सब कुछ सारे आटा वगैरह mix कर लिया था. This had like rice flour, oats वगैरह बहुत सारी चीजें थी. मैंने सब mix कर लिया. And then you just should add like tomatoes, and I hate tomatoes, but ठीक है, I'll just उसको निकाल दूंगी. बट
ये क्या बात करता है यार?
I just feel like it should be there. Then onions, then some masala and everything I will just add, and then you do nothing. You just make like तवे पर इसको थोड़ा सा घी डाल करके you just put it there. इसमें थोड़ा सा घी डाल दिया है, ये बैटर इसमें बस डाल दिया है. नाउ माई ओनली पॉइंट इज कि यार ये ढंग से बस निकल जाए. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग. लेट्स वेट फॉर अनदर 15 मिनट्स. इसको बनने में टाइम लगेगा. इन द मीन वाइल कि ये जो हमने मेस क्रिएट करा है ना इधर, लेट्स रैप दिस अप एंड पुट दिस इन प्लेस. The video here is the background of it. मैंने इस पे रख के लिटरली शूट करा है एंड कुछ पार्ट में ना ये आ गया है उसका, बट bear with it. I have shown everything. I'm not going to show it right now. Go watch the video.
हाँ, तो वो गरीब मिर्चेगा. हाँ, और फिर धनिया होगा डाल देना थोड़ा सा.
अच्छा.
धनिया पत्ती हरी मिर्चा डाल देना,
हम्म.
है ना.
Okay.
और थोड़ा सा दही डाल देना. और वो जो दाल नहीं है बाबा तो ब्लेंडर से डाल दो.
Planning to do a haul जिसमें मैं सारी चीज़ें जो भी मैंने ऑर्डर करी है एंड एवरीथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइस, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट वीडियो एज वेल. ये मैंने पूरा खा लिया है. एक्चुअली मैंने सोचा था आई विल प्ले समथिंग बट इट जस्ट डिड नॉट हैपन. एंड दिस इज द चटनी दैट आई मेड. इट लुक्स अमेजिंग एंड इट टेस्ट्स इवन बेटर. सो दिस इज दैट. This is the chila and this is the chutney, perfect combination. So guys, I'm back. I've already made everything. Let me show it to you. I will show it to you. I was just मैंने सोचा था कि मैं starting से दिखाऊंगी, but I was just attending a meeting. So and I was so hungry that I kept on eating. तो just an update, I called my दादी. मैंने आपको दिखाया था. So why I called her was to understand कि चटनी कैसे बनाते हैं. आई लव कोकोनट चटनी बट समटाइम्स आई प्रॉब्ली डू नॉट मेक इट राइट. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कैसे बनाते हैं. पता नहीं कुछ लाइक आई मेड दैट बैटर फॉर 2 चीलास बट इवन आफ्टर ईटिंग हाफ ऑफ द चीला आई फील लाइक दैट आई एम फुल, विच इज नॉट करेक्ट. लाइक द एपेटाइट इज डिक्रीजिंग. आई रियली वांट टू वर्क ऑन दिस. दैट व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग आई रियली डू नॉट नो. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि दैट आई हैव ईटन अ लॉट ऑफ जंक या कुछ भी. इट्स जस्ट जनरल दैट I am not feeling hungry. I need to do something about it. But yeah, till the time that is happening, let me just enjoy my meal because I'm really hungry. And so, शाम के बज रहे around 5:50. I took a nap and was working. Took a nap and was working. I don't know. I was feeling very sleepy right now, and of course, I'm in the kitchen for coffee. So let's make coffee. Let's have our coffee and also simultaneously work. पता नहीं मतलब. There is a lot of things that is pending. So at this point of time, I am really so. One of my friend is coming from Bangalore, okay, and now it's almost like abhi there is like so much of work pending, and I am also realizing that he's coming tomorrow, which is actually scaring me. I'm like यार मैंने सोचा था मैं like for me whenever I feel कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा लाइक वीकेंड इज लाइक द गेट अवे कि हाँ वीकेंड पे पूरी लाइफ तो सॉर्ट हो ही जाएगी. वीकेंड पे आई विल डू समथिंग. आई डोंट नो हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू डू स्टफ लाइक कैसे होगा. एंड दिस थिंग इज एक्चुअली कॉजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एंग्जाइटी इन मी एंड आई एम जस्ट ओवर थिंकिंग एंड दैट इज वाई प्रॉब्लम यू नो जब मेरा सब कुछ लाइक व्हेनेवर एवरीथिंग इज ऑन ट्रैक देन मुझे इतनी लाइक आई एम नॉट स्लीपी और एनीथिंग बट at points when things are not on track, right, I procrastinate so much. Then I will not work at my 100% capacity. मेरे को नींद आती रहेगी. So this is something that I want to change probably, and this is the last day. Like आज ही है मेरे पास. Today is Thursday. I want to wrap up everything so that weekend को I can give like my proper time. Talk about something like, do you guys have this problem that I try to give wrong deadlines for some reason? Like for example, जैसे I know that this task would be completed by Friday, but if somebody asks कि यार like इसको कल कर सकते हैं क्या या फिर कब तक हो जाएगा, या even if कब तक हो जाएगा, even if they ask, I tend to give a wrong timeline, which is actually very bad, you know, because I tend to give a wrong timeline, which probably they are not even expecting me to do. Like they are not expecting कि मैं Tuesday तक कर दूँ. अगर मैं Thursday तक भी करूँगी तो भी चलेगा, but because now I have only said कि मैं Tuesday तक कर दूँगी, अभी मैं Tuesday तक नहीं करूँगी तो that would be a problem, right? So this is happening with me. I don't know why. Like do I end up giving that because probably I'm not that great at time management or not that great at planning. not sure what is the exact issue, but yeah, this is something that I am facing real issues with. So abhi kya ho gaya that 10 people, I have given 10 strict deadlines that I do not know if I would be able to fulfill, and that is why I'm feeling so much of pressure right now. And yeah, there's a lot coming up as well for which I need to prep. I don't know कैसे होगा. Like I'm not very joyous about it, या फिर I'm not very confident if I would be able to do it, if I won't be able to do it. But whatever it would be, I will keep you guys updated. Let's have coffee now. क्या बोल दे गाइस, हमारी रूममेट का बर्थडे है. लोग ड्राइंग रूम डेकोरेट कर रहे हैं विद वट एवर वी हैव. हम लोगों ने 2 गिफ्ट्स भी ऑर्डर करे, अभी दिखाएंगे. 3 गिफ्ट्स करेक्ट. क्या क्या ऑर्डर करे हैं फिर देखेंगे. कल पुराना हैप्पी बर्थडे. इट्स ओके, वी आर फ्रूगल टू अमेजोनियन. देखो HA, एक सेकेंड, सब लगा ही होगा. हाँ निकालो मत वरना वो पूरा निकल जाएगा. गाइस वी आर नॉट. ओह शिट, ये देखो टूटा हुआ है. पेंटिंग पसंद है तो हमने ऑर्डर किया है छोटे वाले पेंटिंग कैनवसेस और एक्रिलिक पेंट्स, और हमने वाला लैंप ऑर्डर किया. हाँ, द फेमस अमेज़न का लैंप. पता है उसका लाइट भी चेंज होता है अलग अलग. यस. नहीं. ऐसा करेंगे कि इसको पहले ऐसा बंद रखेंगे. गाइस वो बाहर नहीं आ रही. फिर से करना. हैप्पी बर्थडे. मैजिक. ये गिर गया. कोई बात नहीं, उनको पता नहीं चल रहा है वो चीज. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर कृति. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. अरे हम लोग टीवी भी तो बजा सकते थे.